Hi and welcome to a new video. Are you having trouble connecting to your Wi-Fi network because the icon is grayed out in the control center or the toggle is disabled in the settings? In this video, I will show you some basic steps to try to resolve this problem. Let's go. When your iPhone's Wi-Fi icon is grayed out or disabled, it can only mean two things. Either it's only a minor software glitch or worse, a hardware issue. If it's merely a minor firmware glitch, the following solutions that I will introduce can probably help solve your problem easily. First, you can try to turn on airplane mode. Let it stay enabled for at least 30 seconds before switching it back off. After that, try to toggle on the Wi-Fi icon to see if it can now be enabled. If that doesn't work, try force restarting your device. Any connectivity or network issues are frequently fixed by following this simple and straightforward method. Force restarting a device varies for each iPhone model. For iPhone 8 or newer models, you can force restart your device by a quick press and release of the volume up button. Do the same for the volume down button, then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. To know how to force restart older models of iPhone, check out the tag in the top right corner or follow the link in the description below. There is also a possibility that this Wi-Fi problem occurs due to some outdated functions. If this is the case, updating your iOS to the most recent version can help resolve the issue. However, since you technically can update iOS on your iPhone directly because of the disabled Wi-Fi, the easiest way to do this is to connect your device to a computer. When you connect your iPhone to the computer, make sure to use an original or an MFI certified cable so that there will be no problem with the transfer of data. In case you're on a Windows PC or your Mac is running on Mac OS Mojave or earlier, you can use iTunes. Of course, Mac users already have iTunes pre-installed. If you're on Windows, make sure to download and install the latest version on Microsoft Store. But if you're on Mac OS Catalina or later, you can simply use Finder. Whichever of the two programs you open, you can easily locate your iPhone in the sidebar. Then click on Check for Update. In my case, an update is not available because I already had my iPhone upgraded to the latest iOS version. Nevertheless, if a window pops up with an available iOS update, make sure to download it and follow the on-screen instructions to process your upgrade. Now, if you've tried everything I have recently mentioned and still can't fix the Wi-Fi problem, your final resort is to reset your iPhone's network settings. To do this, open Settings, tap on General, and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then choose Reset and finally Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that once you confirm the reset, all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular, VPN, as well as APN settings will be reverted to factory default. However, you can reconfigure these settings again within minutes. If resetting your network settings still doesn't solve the problem, the issue may not be caused by a simple software glitch anymore. In worst case, the problem with your Wi-Fi toggle can be ruled out as a hardware issue, particularly if it began acting up after you dropped your phone or some other instances that you believe may have harmed your device. In that case, it is best to reach out to Apple support and request for professional help with this problem. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.